bail, I would want to एक्साइज स्कैम में राउस एवेन्यू के स्पेशल कोर्ट ने सारे मुजरिमों को बरी कर दिया है और ये बरी तब किया है जबकि सारे साक्ष्य, सारे एविडेंस, everything which they have to say, all statements have been seen, perused by the court, and after perusing everything, it is not a apprehension, it is not a suspicion, it is a court who has gone through everything, and after going through everything, every statement, every document, it has held that there is no charge which is made out against Mr. Kejriwal and the other accused person, which includes Mr. Manish Sisodia.
सर, काफी कोर्ट जो है वो कोर्ट ने कोर्ट की है कि भी जो प्रोफेशनल स्टेटमेंट था प्रोसिक्यूशन विटनेस का वही चार्जशीट में नहीं सीबीआई ने लगाया, इन लेखों पे क्या कोर्ट ने कहा है?
I would not go to everything, but कोर्ट ने एक रिमार्क किया है कि कोर्ट during the proceedings in charge had asked for the confessional statement which was made in 3064. The investigating officer perhaps had stated that it is not with him. The court has noted that in the sealed cover it is very much there. It was a copy which was given to him, and that statement was never produced in the charge sheet. And in fact, there were various statements which are taken even after the confessional statement, which the court had said that you can't do it once there is a full disclosure made in the confessional statement, which is not produced in the charge sheet. How can you take other statements? Apart from that, the court has very emphatically stated that the rule of law has to be preserved. The machinery in criminal law is not to implicate somebody illegally, but only to do justice, and court has tilted the balance towards the justice.
सर, एक और चीज कही, जो प्राइस फिक्सेशन का मामला था उसमें कहा कोर्ट ने कि वो पूरा डेलिब्रेशन, डिस्कशन और जो ईएम का अप्रूवल था उसके बाद ही किया गया।
सो एलिगेशन सीबीआई का ये था कि जो पॉलिसी बनाई गई उसमें मैनिपुलेशन किया गया, उसमें फर्जी दस्तावेज जोड़े गए। कोर्ट ने ये कहा है कि जब एक्साइज पॉलिसी बनी उसके जितने भी एविडेंस, जितनी भी कोर्ट फाइल, जितने भी कैबिनेट नोट, जितने भी ऑफिशियल नोटिंग है, अगर आप उनको देखेंगे तो आप पाएंगे that the policy has been put to every institution in the machinery, and it cannot be said that only one person has made this. In fact, the court has drawn a parallel where the court had said that the policy was also given to the office of Honorable LG. Honorable LG has also looked at it, and Honorable LG has also approved the policy. The court had said that if you are making Mr. Manish Sisodia or Mr. Kejriwal as an accused, why was not other person who were involved in the excise policy not made an accused? After that, the court had said that after seeing what has happened, how the policy was framed, it is actually seen that every institution, every stakeholder has been taken into confidence, and the file has gone to every stakeholder, and at no point of time there was any doubt which was framed at that contemporaneous point of time against the policy.
साउथ ग्रुप का जो वर्ड है उसके ऊपर भी कोर्ट ने ऑब्जेक्शन किया है, डिस्क्रिमिनेटरी बताया है, क्या कहना है चाहिए?
कोर्ट ने ये कहा है कि सीबीआई ने अपनी चार्जशीट के अंदर स्पेसिफिकली जो अक्यूज पर्सन्स थे आंध्र प्रदेश से या हमारे दक्षिण पार्ट के जो क्षेत्र हैं उससे, उनको एक टैग दे दिया गया साउथ ग्रुप. This, according to the judge, is against the international practices. It is against the rule of law. You cannot discriminate people on the basis of the region. And court has taken a very strong view, and in fact has also made few comments in the order saying that CBI has to ensure that in the future cases they cannot term or ostracize one region of the country like this.
The court also said that a safeguard of constitutional post should be preserved, not implicated like this.
Court had said that what is the most important thing is rule of law, and the criminal process is not to illegally implicate somebody. And once you do it, it is even more grave in the case of people who are occupying constitutional posts, because those people have reached constitutional post after the public has chosen them. So if you by illegally making out a case, take these people inside and infirm their liberty, this is something which goes against the rule of law.